Alright guys, so I often get asked how much capital do I need in order to trade the premium cycle properly? And my answer is always the same. I always say at least $10,000. That is what you need in capital to get started here. And I got some comments on my last videos where people said, oh, but $10,000 is not enough to start here. I can barely find a high quality stock to sell a cash secured put. And that is absolutely not true. You just need to know the right tickers at the right time. But to show you a few tickers right here, you can see, for example, that we have AT&T right here. If I move in the price action here, AT&T is a high quality company trading at $23. So this, for example, gives you the option to sell 3 to 4 option contracts on AT&T until you will use all of your 10,000 US dollars, because we always have to multiply the share price times 100 to know how much capital is needed for one options contract, because options come in a 100 pack of shares. So, for example, you can trade AT&T. You could also trade Chipotle Mexican Grill, another great company which I cover in my community. Also here you can trade 2 to 3 option contracts. You can even choose ETFs like XLE ETF. I have also shown it in some of my videos. Great ETF to even give you some diversification. So you can even mix it in. For example, you can trade one option on XLE ETF. So you have a nice diversification into multiple companies in the energy sector. And then you can also, on top of that, trade another option contract of AT&T or of Chipotle Mexican Grill. So you can even diversify your smaller portfolio with these different options. And if you're trading this strategy, the premium cycle, on the right tickers at the right time, guys, that is very important. At the right time, at the right strike price, you can expect around 2 to, let's say, 2.5% return per month. So given that on 10,000 US dollars, that would be $250 in additional cash flow or in passive income every single month. So that is quite a attractive return on your capital every single month or annually if you add it up. So I'm saying this to give you some realistic range of what you can expect if you use this strategy properly. And if you're interested in this strategy, then click the link in my bio, check out my free course. I have a course for you guys there where you understand the basics of the premium cycle. Also check out my other videos on this YouTube channel. I would really appreciate if you guys subscribe to my channel and leave a comment under this video. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next one.